Hello friends. Let's learn animals first. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a cat. C for cat. Cats are kept as pet animals. This is a dog. D for dog. Dogs are also pet animals. Do you know what is this? Yes, a cow. This is a cow. C for cow. Goat. This is a goat. G for goat. Goat also gives milk. Elephant. This is an elephant. E for elephant. Elephants are wild animals. They are largest living animals on the land. Elephants live in jungle. This is horse. H for horse. Horse are pet animals. Which animal is this? Yes, sheep. This is the sheep. S for sheep. Sheep are reared for their wool. Okay, now let's move to next animal. This is a monkey. M for monkey. This is a rabbit. R for rabbit. Which animal is this? Yes, a giraffe. G for giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. It has a long neck. This is a rhino. R for rhinoceros or rhino in short. Rhinos are jungle animals. They have a horn above their nose. Rhinos are pure vegetarian animals and eat grass or leaves. Some rhinos even have two horns. Okay, let's move to our next animal. Which animal is this? Yes, a camel. C for camel. Camel are seen in deserts. They have capability to store water inside their hump. Which animal is this? Yes, a hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus or hippo in short. Let's see our next animal. The king of the jungle. This is lion. L for lion. King of the jungle. Who is next on our list? Z for zebra. Yes, zebra. Zebra looks like horse but have stripes around their body. Zebra are wild animals living in jungle. Here comes another wild animal. Tell me, who is this? Yes, this is a tiger. T for tiger. Tigers also have beautiful stripes around their body. Tiger is the national animal of India. This is a deer. D for deer. Deers can run very fast. This is a bear. B for bear. Bear lives in jungle. Bear come in various colors like brown, black. This is the cheetah. C for cheetah. Cheetah can run very fast and is the fastest animal in the world. So now let's have a quiz to see which all animals we have learned. Ready? Who will tell which animal is this? Yes, the king of jungle. Lion. Which animal is this? Dog. Who is going to tell this one? Yes, cat. Who is this fastest animal? Cheetah. Yes, cheetah. Which animal is this? Elephant. Friends, can you identify the animal? Tiger. Which animal is this? Who is going to tell? Yes, that's a zebra. Good. Friends, now let's move to our next section. we will learn about birds. You would have seen birds flying around your house. Let's move to the magical world of birds. Birds can fly. This is a crow. C for crow. Crow is black in color. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. Sparrow are small birds. Pigeons. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. Pigeon is gray in color. Parrot. This is a parrot. P for parrot. Parrots can learn to speak like humans. Parrots are green in color. Peacock. This is a peacock. P for peacock. Peacocks can dance and looks very beautiful. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. A duck lives in water. Crane. This is a crane. C for crane. A crane eats fish. Eagle. This is an eagle. E for eagle. Eagles can fly very high in the sky. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. K for kingfisher. It eats fish. Owl. This is an owl. O for owl. Owl are night birds. They are active during the night and sleep during the day. Friends, now I will show you some pictures on the screen. Can you identify the bird shown? Which bird is this? Come on, tell me fast. Yes, a crow. Who is going to tell this one? Yes, kingfisher. Which bird is this? Yes, a sparrow. Who will tell first? This is an owl. Which bird is this? Yes, pigeon. Which bird can fly high in the sky? Eagle. Which bird is this? Yes, duck. Which bird is this, which is also national bird of India? Yes, peacock. Now let's learn some fruit names. Do you like fruits? Okay, good. Tell me some fruit names. A for apple. Yes, apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Orange. This is orange. Oranges are filled with vitamin C. Don't forget to eat them on regular basis. Banana. This is banana. Grapes. This is grapes. Violet or green in color. Mango. This is mango. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Which fruit is this? Yes, this is a strawberry. Chico. This is a chico. Brown colored chico. Guava. This is guava. Pineapple. This is pineapple. Good, let's check some flowers now. Who is going to tell this flower? Yes, rose. This is a rose. Rose come in different colors. Red, yellow, white, pink and many more. Lily. This is lily flower. Sunflower. This is sunflower. Lotus. This is lotus flower. Lotus flower grow in water. Marigold. This is marigold flower. This flower is used in decoration. Okay, feeling hungry. Do you know the vegetables used in our food? Let's check them one by one. Potato. Round potato. Onion. This is onion. Tomato. This is tomato. Lady's finger. This is lady's finger. Carrot. This is carrot. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Peas. This is peas. Capsicum. This is capsicum. Chilies. Brinjal. This is brinjal. Cucumber. This is cucumber. So friends, we have learned the names of animals, birds, fruits, flowers, vegetables.